I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Music Theory Tuition series where I work with you step by step through the ABRSM Discovering Music Theory grades. I'll work through every single exercise and explain everything you need to know. You can access information about the books I have available to help you on my website. Go to sharonbill.com. For advert-free and longer lessons, you can become a patron at patreon.com/SharonBill. If you can give me a like, that would be super, and please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated. You can support this channel by buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/SharonBill. We continue with chapter 2 regarding rhythm in the grade 2 Discovering Music Theory workbook, and we move on to page 7 and we'll look a little bit further into the time signatures where we're changing the bottom number. And so we see here in this little information box that 2-2 can be written with this sign here. It's rather like the common time symbol, which was for 4-4. This, however, has got a line down it. Now, this is common time. The classical term for this is à la brève. I'll just write that. À la brève. However, sometimes it's kind of commonly known as split common time, which makes sense. And remember that although mathematically they add up to the same, they are counted differently. So let's just refresh your memory on that. It's just worth taking a moment. 2/2 and 4/4, although mathematically will add up to the same. So we can give a little bit more. Because the unit value that we're counting in has changed, we count them differently. So here we have 2 beats in a bar. It's duple time, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. Whereas here this is quadruple time, 4 main beats per bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can feel there's a difference in the musical effect. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so here we have common time, and here we have the common time with a line down, split common time or à la brève. There we go. And so now we're ready to crack on with this. And so we have to choose which is the best number at the bottom here. So looking at this 1 bar rhythm here, are we counting in minim beats, the bottom number being 2, or are we counting in crotchet beats, the bottom number being 4? Well, if we were counting in crotchet beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that doesn't work out. And so we can see that we have 1 minim beat, 2 minim beats, 3 minim beats. We're counting in minim beats. And so the bottom number would have to be 2. And we can see that we've got 1, 2, 3 minims worth. And so the top number will be 3. And therefore we can now answer this question. So if we were to listen to this, it would be 1, 2 and 3. There's beat 1, 2, 3. And now we have the same exercise to complete. In exercise 2, we've got the same principle. We've got to circle the correct time signature, which means we have to think what is the bottom number as well as what is the top number. Well, here we can see we've got 1 minim, 2 minims, and this plus so we've got a crotchet plus a crotchet rest gives us another minim. So we've got 3 minims worth, and so that would be 3, 2. So perhaps you feel confident now to just move ahead and just try these last few on your own. It's worth just having a go, even if you get a couple wrong. Don't worry if you get a couple wrong. Always work in pencil, then you can just erase. It's better to learn by your mistakes. I know I say that all the time, but it really, really is the case. Best to make all the mistakes now and learn from them. So let's see what we've got here. We've got a crotchet beat, and a minim. Now that could be 4/4, however, that's not an option. And so we're going to have to now think of it as 1 minim beat, 2 minim beats, and therefore it's 2/2. Here, let's think what we've got here. So this bar, we have a crotchet and a crotchet, which is a minim's worth. It could be 4/4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or it could be 2/2. Now, there is no 4/4 option. It looks like there is no 2/2 option, but remember, the split common time does mean 2/2. And then, so here we have a minim, and we know that a semi-breve is worth 2 minims, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 minim beats worth. Let's double check this next bar. We have a minim's worth there, a minim's worth there, and then we know that a semi-breve breaks into 2 minims, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 minims. So we need 4 beats per bar, but not 4 crotchets, not 4 quarter notes. We need 4 minims. And so that's the correct time signature for that one. I hope this is helpful to your studies. Please do like and subscribe to stay updated. If you'd like to support this channel, you can buy me a coffee. And for advert-free lessons, you can become a patron. Do visit my website where you'll find many resources available to help you. Visit sharonbill.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.